Okay.
Yeah.
You got this Vic going.
He's paying all the kids.
He's got $1,200 in $1 bills.
I got that fuel system on that car, y'all. I got that fuel system on that car, y'all. The fuel system on that car. Attention in the pits. We're gonna do a double fuel pump system. If anyone needs fuel, go ahead and come get fuel or nitrous. You have about 15 minutes to come get some fuel or nitrous. What's so funny? What? Huh?
What's up?
Yeah, look at. I was trying to see what's going on, man. Y'all ready?
I hope so. We'll see.
Yeah, you made a full pass, last pass?
Hell yeah.
Oh, he said no, you didn't. God, man.
We put the motor in last night.
Okay. Y'all trying to pull one of them records like, oh yeah, we put it in last night, came out and whooped everybody. Y'all got to record it somewhere?
That'd be great. Wrap it out of the hat, man.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah, they trying to pull one of them, you know how them videos be where they did it. Oh yeah, man, we worked our butts off, man. We stayed up 16 hours, man.
And
Matter of fact,
the car runs its best.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not saying it won't do that, but unlikely, very, very rare. So
it freaking ran its personal best yesterday, dude. We only freaking worked on it 16 hours with a spare motor. Damn.
Yeah.
Why she wasn't on that with that good stuff you had?
We need to get your spare motor ready.
Yeah, where that spare motor? Yeah, dude, this thing was killing it with the spare motor, man. Yeah, dude, we turned it all the way up and it took it, man. It was like ate it. We took a bunch of timing out of it. As always, the same story. I'm sick of it. Yeah, dude, we took a bunch of timing out of it and just let it eat. Yeah, we took a bunch of timing out of it and threw a lot of fuel at it, let it eat. Yeah. That what you did too? Oh, he looking like he did. You with this car? Oh, okay. What's the name of the crew called? Or the car?
Jerry Humphreys Racing.
Jerry Humphreys. Okay, Jerry Humphreys. How long Jerry Humphreys been racing?
Forever.
Forever? What? That's him? Mm-hmm. I ain't never met him before. How you doing, mister? Oh, him. God, I'm thinking it's him. He got all this headset on, making me think he... Man, I thought he was...
I get to wear the important headset.
Yeah, you got the other one on, man.
We got
and
him,
the helmet.
We got him on mute.
Oh, okay. He ain't talking about nothing, I guess. Is everything good, y'all?
Maybe we're getting there.
Let me see. Nice whip. Oh, I don't even know. Who is KPE? Keter Performance. I don't think I know them. Wichita Falls.
Texas, yes, sir.
So they up there with TRE? Like that's who y'all competitor is? Oh.
Down south.
Oh, okay. Oh, different motor they doing it. Okay, I got how they doing it now. I see how they doing it now.
You doing a little documentary? Or?
Yeah, I'm doing a little documentary trying to see what's going on.
All right.
Yeah, they told me to come do it one time for the one time.
All right.
You know anything about that?
Wait, which one time we talking about?
Just this time.
I thought it was that one time.
It was that one time.
And then the 2 times showed up.
Yeah, you got to watch out for one time now. Okay, we got KP, Wichita. We're going to see what they working with. What class is this y'all finna be racing in?
Limited 275.
Limited 275. They got a nice Camaro, y'all.
Thank you.
That's clean.
There's a lot of work.
Oh, they didn't put, ooh, look how they got them wheels on there. They got them big meat Larry Hoovers on the back of that thing, man. Say, man. Got the big meats on there, man. Y'all on my YouTube channel? It's Lookout Racing. Make sure you tell your friend and your uncle them. Lookout Racing. Don't forget, I'm gonna be waiting on y'all to subscribe now. Lookout Racing, not racist. Racing. Don't tell nobody else that, miss. Racing, I-N-G. Yeah, that's me. That's me. Yeah. Yeah, subscribe. Don't forget now. And tell your uncle. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. We got Joey White out here. Look out. How y'all doing over here?
Y'all doing all right?
I'm having a good time.
Good deal.
I see y'all don't care how it turn out.
We don't care, man. We know where it ain't.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'm rooting for y'all. I like that kind of attitude. Don't tell. Y'all done took a lot of time and out, put a bunch of fuel in and about to let it eat. Oh, damn, that's it. Oh, they done tied the front end down. Oh, Lord, it's over with. It's over with. Barbecue lemon pepper. I need some barbecue lemon pepper. I need some barbecue lemon pepper. I might go get me a spray. Buy me a bottle of Dr. Pepper. Look at Jason Trevino. This basketball hat on. Is ready, Jason?
Yeah, I'm ready, man.
Oh, okay. Hey, he ready.
Hey, I think we gotta move over one lane.
Yeah, he wanna move over. He wanna move over one lane, man. He said he don't like this lane no more. Tell me cook. Right there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Dang. Is this my boy? Is this my boy? Oh, Derek Kelly. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I ain't never told everybody this. Derek Kelly, one of my favorite race cars. Yeah, I like the way Derek Kelly be acting up. Yeah, I like the way Derek. If I can mix it all and just have it my way, I'll mix Derek Kelly and Silent Killer together, and that'll be me. Yeah. Yeah. Because Derek Kelly, he got a little bit of that in him already. Acting like me and Silent Killer. But all his friends, they were like, dude, what are you doing, man? You driving your car in the street, you spent like $500,000, dude, you're gonna jeopardize it? Yeah. So he be trying to find the other people that's cool with it.